No driver wants to be stranded with a dead battery, especially in a larger vehicle. The top 5 best jumper cable for SUV ensures powerful, reliable starts every time. Let's look at the top-rated cables built for durability, safety, and heavy-duty performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ExtreSpo Jumper Cable for SUV. The ExtreSpo jumper cable for SUV is a heavy-duty option built to deliver reliable performance when you need it most. With an impressive 25-foot length, these cables provide plenty of reach, making it easy to connect between two vehicles without the frustration of tangling. The extra length proves especially useful in situations where parking vehicles close together is not possible. Made from high-density copper-clad aluminum, the cables ensure excellent electrical conductivity while maintaining flexibility even in freezing winter temperatures. This design makes them suitable for a wide range of climates, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring year-round dependability. The patented clamp design with serrated teeth and a sturdy spring offers a secure grip, reducing the risk of slipping during use. Safety is a core feature, as these jumper cables are UL listed and capable of withstanding up to 1,000 amps of instantaneous current. That means they can handle the demands of larger engines without hesitation. Compatible with both 12V and 24V systems, they are ideal for everything from standard sedans and SUVs to diesel trucks and even freight vehicles. The thick vinyl coating adds extra insulation and durability, protecting against wear, rust, and accidental contact. Overall, the ExtreSpo jumper cable for SUV strikes a perfect balance of reach, power, and safety. It's an excellent choice for drivers who want a dependable, long-lasting set of cables that can be counted on in emergencies, whether for personal use or as part of a roadside assistance kit. Number 2. Energizer Jumper Cable for SUV. The Energizer jumper cable for SUV is a professional-grade option designed for reliability and convenience, particularly in demanding roadside scenarios. Measuring an impressive 30 feet in length, these 1-gauge cables offer maximum reach, making them especially useful for tow trucks, roadside assistance vehicles, and situations where one vehicle must be jumped from behind or at an angle. The permanent installation kit with a quick connect plug is a standout feature, enabling fast and hassle-free use without repeated setup. Built with copper-clad aluminum, these cables provide excellent conductivity and remain flexible even in extreme temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, ensuring consistent performance in harsh conditions. The heavy-duty clamps come with strong springs and comfortable handles, ensuring a secure grip on both top and side post batteries. A thick vinyl coating protects the cables from rust, corrosion, and wear, adding to their durability and safety. Another practical advantage is the included carrying bag, which allows for neat storage and easy portability, keeping the cables organized when not in use. With a high capacity for handling powerful starts, these cables are well suited for SUVs, trucks, and other larger vehicles. Their tangle-free design and impressive reach make them one of the most versatile options on the market. Overall, the Energizer jumper cable is an excellent investment for those who value convenience, durability, and professional-level reliability. Whether you're equipping a personal SUV or outfitting a roadside service vehicle, this set provides everything needed to safely and effectively handle dead battery emergencies. Number 3. TOPDC Jumper Cable for SUV. The TOPDC jumper cable for SUV offers a solid mix of durability, safety, and performance. With a 25-foot length, these cables provide ample reach, making them suitable for larger vehicles such as SUVs, trucks, and mid-size cars. Their extended range ensures that even if vehicles cannot be parked bumper to bumper, a jump start can still be performed easily. The clamps are particularly noteworthy, featuring large alligator jaws with strong serrated teeth and springs that provide a firm grip on battery terminals. These clamps are not only sturdy but also insulated to reduce the risk of electric shock and protect users during operation. Constructed with high-quality copper-clad aluminum, the cables ensure reliable conductivity, while the premium PVC coating adds insulation, corrosion resistance, and flexibility in extreme conditions ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Their UL certification further adds confidence in their safety and overall build quality. Another practical advantage is the included carry bag, which makes transporting and storing the cables simple and convenient, helping drivers keep their trunk or garage organized. These cables are also designed to resist tangling, even in cold weather, which is an essential feature during stressful roadside emergencies. Suitable for a wide variety of vehicles, they are an excellent option for families or individuals who may need to assist different types of cars. Overall, the TOPDC jumper cable for SUV combines strong construction, safety certifications, and practical features, making it a dependable choice for drivers looking for reliable booster cables that can handle the needs of larger vehicles without compromise. Number 4. SAFEMATE jumper cable for SUV. The SAFEMATE jumper cable for SUV is designed with convenience and power in mind, offering features that make it highly reliable for larger vehicles and heavy-duty use. One of its standout qualities is the extra length, 25 feet plus an additional 5 feet, providing a total of 30 feet of reach. This flexibility makes it easier to connect between vehicles in awkward positions or on the roadside, where parking configurations may be challenging. Built with high-density copper-clad aluminum, these cables provide strong electrical conductivity, while the thick PVC cover ensures durability, drop resistance, and effective insulation. This makes the cables resistant to harsh weather, with performance guaranteed between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The Quick Connect plug is another excellent feature, allowing for fast and easy connections without repeated setup, which can save valuable time in emergencies. The clamps are designed for strength and safety, with extra thick PVC covers for insulation and jaws that fit both top and side post batteries securely. Rated at 1500 amps with a 0-0 gauge build, these cables are more than capable of handling the demands of SUVs, pickup trucks, freight vehicles, and cargo vans. They are also tangle-free, which is a major plus when dealing with urgent roadside situations. The SAFEMATE cables represent a perfect blend of strength, reach, and safety, making them one of the most powerful options available for SUV owners. Number 5. Top 1000 amp jumper cable for SUV. The TOPDC 1000 amp jumper cable for SUV is a heavy-duty option built for performance and convenience. Measuring 20 feet in length, these cables provide enough reach for most standard jump-start situations while remaining compact for easier storage. They are suitable for 12V and 24V vehicles, making them versatile enough to handle everything from compact cars to SUVs, trucks, and even freight vehicles. Crafted with high-density copper-clad aluminum, the cables deliver excellent conductivity, ensuring efficient power transfer during jump starts. The exterior is made with premium insulating material that resists rust, corrosion, and cracking, while still offering flexibility in extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The heavy-duty clamps are equipped with serrated teeth and robust springs, providing a secure grip on battery terminals and making connections quick and reliable. Rated at 1000 amps, these cables are strong enough to handle larger engines with ease. Their UL certification further reinforces their quality and safety, giving users confidence during operation. To enhance portability, TOPDC includes a convenient carry bag, allowing users to neatly store the cables in a trunk or garage without clutter. The 20-foot length strikes a good balance between reach and manageability, making this set a great choice for drivers who want a reliable yet compact solution. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.